Creating content for social media every day can be time-consuming and stressful. From designing graphics to writing captions and planning posts, creators often spend hours managing their content. The good news is that AI tools can make the process much faster and easier. In today's video, we're looking at the top 3 AI tools that can help you create better social media content while saving valuable time. The first tool is Canva. Canva is much more than a simple design platform today. With its AI-powered features, users can generate social media graphics, create images from text prompts, remove backgrounds instantly, and build professional designs in minutes. Whether you're creating Instagram posts, Facebook graphics, YouTube thumbnails, or marketing materials, Canva helps produce high-quality content without requiring advanced design skills. It's one of the best tools for creators who want professional results quickly. The second tool is Buffer AI. Creating content is important, but publishing consistently is just as important. Buffer AI helps users generate captions, improve existing content, rewrite posts in different tones, and schedule content across multiple social media platforms. Instead of manually posting every day, creators can plan and automate their content strategy. This makes Buffer AI an excellent tool for businesses, influencers, and marketers who want to stay active on social media without spending hours managing their accounts. The third tool is ChatGPT. This AI assistant has become one of the most useful tools for content creators worldwide. ChatGPT can generate content ideas, write captions, create social media calendars, develop marketing strategies, and even produce complete video scripts. If you're ever stuck trying to think of new content ideas, ChatGPT can help generate dozens of suggestions within seconds. It acts like a personal content assistant, helping creators stay productive and consistent. Each of these tools serves a different purpose. Canva is ideal for creating eye-catching visuals. Buffer AI is perfect for scheduling and managing content, and ChatGPT excels at generating ideas and written content. When used together, these tools can significantly improve your content creation workflow and help you grow your social media presence more efficiently. Artificial intelligence is changing the way content is created online, and creators who learn how to use these tools effectively will have a strong advantage. If you're serious about growing on social media in 2026, Canva, Buffer AI, and ChatGPT are 3 tools worth adding to your workflow today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content about AI tools, digital products, and online business growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.